Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Formstack and automate data routing with AI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download Formstack, begin by opening your web browser. Go to the official Formstack website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on that button to access the registration page. Fill out the required fields with your details. Create a secure password for your account. After entering your information, click on Create Account. Check your email for a confirmation message from Formstack. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Formstack website and log in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Templates section. Here, you can browse existing templates or create a new form. Select a template that suits your needs or click on New Form to build your own. Use the drag and drop editor to customize your form. Add fields such as text boxes, multiple choice, and checkboxes as needed. After designing your form, click on Settings to configure additional options. Now, let's automate data routing with AI. In the Settings, locate the Integrations tab. Here, you can connect Formstack to various applications. Choose the applications you want to integrate with. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link your accounts. Next, navigate to the Automation tab within the settings. Select Create New Automation to start setting up workflows. Define the trigger for your automation, such as form submission. Choose the action that follows, like routing data to a specific application. Customize the parameters to match your workflow needs. After configuring the automation, save your changes. Now test your form by filling it out and submitting it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.